Hi there. Today I'll be reviewing this bad boy, the Skilsaw SHD77 circular saw. Now, I've been using this saw for about 10 years on all sorts of construction jobs. I think I've tested it thoroughly enough now, so it's time for review. Now you might ask, how did I end up with this particular saw? Well, 10 years ago I was working at a construction site. And I had some 3/4 inch plywood to cut for a countertop. I had a different saw at the time. I'm not going to tell you which one. That's a secret. I don't like bad mouthing other tool companies, so I won't mention. But I got what I paid for, $50. Halfway through this piece of plywood, the engine started smoking, the wires melted, and that was it. So I said, enough of that. If I have to spend $50 every time I cut through half a piece of plywood, I might as well spend $200 and get myself the best circular saw that I could find. So here I am, a Skilsaw. Let's go over the features of this saw. It has your standard sliding safety guard, adjustable blade height, adjustable blade angle, replaceable motor brushes, has a lock for when you're changing the blade. It has oil that you can change, and it has a belt mount. Another nice thing that some people like, some people don't, is there is no safety button for the trigger. It's just straight pull. You don't have to push a secondary button in order to engage the motor. I'll tell you about some of the good things and bad things about the saw. The first thing is this saw's weight. It is solid metal except for the handles. And personally, I like the weight. It's easy to control. The saw doesn't vibrate, and it feels very smooth when you're cutting. But if you've got little twig arms, it might be just a little too much. But if a person's working construction all their life, they're probably pretty strong, and this is a professional tool for professionals. So people using this saw probably are not going to have an issue with the weight. The nice thing about having such a heavy saw is you can use it as a dumbbell during your coffee break. Oh, hey boss. Yeah, nope, just working on those twig arms you're complaining about. Don't worry, I'll get back to her. One of the features I don't like about this saw is the angle of this handle right here. It feels fine when you got your right hand forward, but if you got your left hand forward, it's kind of awkward. And when you're in a job site, sometimes you got to cut in one direction or the other, and it'd be nice if the handle was just straight so you'd have a easier time at that. Another thing, some people might like it, some people might see it as a safety hazard. There's no safety switch for the trigger here. So it's just a straight pull, no secondary button to push, and the motor is engaged. Personally, I like it. I'm a professional. I work safe. I'm not going to cut my fingers off just because I've got a secondary little annoying switch. I like the efficiency of this and the comfort, but for some people it might not be safe. Take it or leave it. I like the all metal construction. It's got a plastic handle, but everything else is solid metal, with the exception of this little guard right there. But everything underneath that is metal. And you can change the oil in the gear drive, which is an excellent thing in the winter time, because you might actually want to run synthetic in there. In the winter at -40, the oil thickens up and the saw can be a little slow to start on a cold morning. Another feature some people might like, some people might not, is this saw has a cord. Personally, I like it because I got full power all the time. However, it is not as portable as a battery drive saw. And as you can see, I have nicked the cord on several occasions with the blade. So what's your favorite circular saw? Let me know in the comments below, and let me know if you have any experience with this one. So the final result of this review is I highly recommend this saw. You will not regret it, and it will probably last a long, long time and never let you down. If you take care of it, it'll take care of you. So, I hope you enjoyed this review. I'll see you next time. Take her easy.